morning.
Good to see you. Welcome. Thank you for hosting us.
You're very welcome.
I'm truly grateful to you. For the 60th anniversary of our diplomatic relations.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I truly appreciate your kindness.
It's
So, if
over
I'm not
hard.
mistaken, you're
I've been in
Gozo.
Gozo
In
in the
Gozo.
past several times, yes. Okay.
It's a very small
We
gift.
have some good things from
Did
Malta.
you explain what?
Yes.
That's from Gozo. So that's a traditional. So that's a company in Gozo, and they're all handmade. Even you.
Inspired by a sculpture in St. Peter's Basilica. Represents, if you will, the bridge between the Old Testament and New Testament. And this is a pictorial book of this building in the Apostolic Palace.
We truly
Many
thank
of
you.
the
We appreciate it. Very
Very
thankful.
good.
Thank you.
Again.
Thank you so much. It's such a pleasure to meet you. Thank you for the wonderful.
It was very nice to meet you.
Very
Hope
good.
to see you in Malta.
I hope
Everyone is waiting for you.
Okay, thank you.
Come va? Tanto lieto di rivederla, come sempre. Come va?
Bene, grazie anche lei.
Grazie di averci qua. Good morning to you. Thank you for hosting us. We truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Such a pleasure to meet you. Good to see you. Thank you so much. Let's go there.
Soy acompañando de greet you very cordially, also on behalf of His Excellency. We are not like your minister, but anyway, welcome then, welcome. It is really, really joy, how to say, admiring when I was there in Malta last time. Thank you very
Truly
much.
appreciate it.
Yes, I think that I don't want to bother you.
It's a pleasure to see you.
In January, say.
Grazie. Grazie molto.
Thank you.
Thank you so